Welcome to the step-by-step installation guide for our 2-megapixel CCTV camera. To start, insert the plug and power on the camera. You'll notice a blue light blinking, indicating the device is in configuration mode. If the blue light doesn't blink, simply press and hold the reset button until the blue light starts blinking, signaling that the camera is ready for configuration. Now, let's move on to app integration. Ensure your mobile Bluetooth is enabled and your mobile data is turned off. Connect your phone to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Next, download and open the Smart Life app. Select Add Device. The app will begin searching for nearby devices. When you find Camera 2MP PTZ, click on it. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Then click Next. Wait for the device to be added. Once the device is successfully added, click Done. You will have direct access to the camera. Let's check out more features of our camera. Open the Smart Life app and tap on the camera. In the top left corner, you'll see HD. Click on it to choose your video quality between standard definition and high definition. On the top right, you'll find the speaker icon. When activated, you can hear the surrounding sounds. At the extreme top right, there's a square icon that allows you to select the screen size. Choose between full screen and small screen. On the bottom left, there's a box frame icon for landscape mode. Moving on, the second icon on the left is a screenshot icon, which will save images directly to your mobile device. The third icon is the mic. Press and hold it to enable two-way communication. The fourth icon is for video recording. This will also be stored on your mobile device. Now, select the upward arrow icon to explore more options. In the More Options menu, the first option is Playback. Note that you need to have external storage for this to work. Our CCTV supports up to 128 GB of local storage on an SD card, and cloud storage in India. It can be seen that right now we don't have external storage for our camera.
To learn more about adding external storage, be sure to watch the video until the end.
The second option is Gallery, where you can access captured images and videos stored on your mobile device. You'll also find a theme color option to switch between light mode and dark mode. The private mode feature puts the device into sleep mode, ensuring your privacy is intact. There's a night mode for night vision. You can choose between Auto, which switches to night mode automatically, Off to disable night mode, or On to keep night mode activated continuously. Adjust the device volume to set the speaker volume according to your preference. Motion Tracker enables camera movement detection, showing how the camera moves as it detects motion. With motion detection, you can receive notifications on your mobile device when motion is detected.
Scroll down to find the Patrol option. By default, it is set to Panoramic Patrol. In this mode, the camera will automatically scan every angle for 10 seconds. Here's a fast-forwarded demonstration of how it works. This feature is ideal for wide area coverage, ensuring that every angle is monitored within short intervals. Next is the Siren feature. When activated, the camera will emit a loud siren. This helps alert your loved ones to potential danger when you're away.
At the bottom, you'll find direction options that allow you to navigate the camera. Press the left, right, up, and down buttons to scroll every nook and corner of your home. With the same left and right controls, you can move the camera 360 degrees, ensuring there are no blind spots left. Integration with Alexa. Search for Amazon Alexa. Select it. At the bottom right, select More. Click Skills and Games. Go to the search bar and search for Smart Life. Select the Smart Life app. Click Enable to use. Click Agree and link. Click Close. Wait for Alexa to find the device. Click Next. Now you can either add the device to the available groups and then click Add to Group, or you can skip and move ahead. Finally, click Done. It will take you back to the device screen where you can see the Camera 2MP PTZ is recently added. Now, you can operate camera through Alexa app. Integration with Google Assistants. In the search bar, look for Google Home. At the bottom, go to Settings. Under Services, select Works with Google. In the search bar, type Smart Life. Select the Smart Life app. Click Continue. Click Agree and link. Wait for your Google account to link with Smart Life. Go to Devices at the bottom. Refresh the screen to show linked devices. Select Camera 2MP PTZ. This is how you can view it through Google Assistant.
Storage. As we rotate the camera upwards, we can see the SD card slot. We're using a 128 GB SD card here, which can support 15 to 20 days of continuous recording. Using a small object, we'll push the card fully into the slot. Once the card is inserted, we can move on to the settings. Tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the settings menu. The storage settings will appear, but keep in mind that this option is only visible if a storage card is inserted. In the storage settings, you can view the total storage capacity, used capacity, and available capacity. You also have the option to format the SD card here, which will erase all recorded data. In addition to local storage, cloud storage is also available. By clicking on Cloud Storage, you can review the available plans. Next, we'll move on to the recording settings. Inside the recording settings, switch on Local Recording, and you'll see the recording modes become visible. By default, it will be set to non-stop recording, where the camera continuously records and stores footage on the SD card. After selecting the recording setting, you can choose the other available option, Event Recording. Event recording activates only when motion is detected, helping to save storage space by avoiding unnecessary recordings. Here's a clip showing event recording footage, where the light blue bar below indicates the times when recordings were made, as motion was detected. Whereas, in this clip, you can see a solid blue area representing continuous recording, showing that the camera records non-stop regardless of any motion or events. Below these options, you'll find the scheduling feature, which allows you to set specific times for recording. For example, you can schedule recordings for a particular time of day so that it can be viewed later as per your convenience. When scheduling, you have two options. If you select Event Recording and then add a schedule, the camera will record based on motion detection within the scheduled time. If you choose Non-Stop Recording and then schedule it, the camera will record continuously during the scheduled period. Click Click on Add Schedule and set the time to complete the scheduling. We hope we've covered all the key points in our installation guide. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact our support team.